Hey everyone! Welcome back to another brand new video. And it's official. OpenAI has just now stepped into the browser wars. After a very long time, OpenAI has finally released their own AI-powered browser called Atlas. And based on the features it has, this might just change everything about how you use the internet. This isn't just another browser with a chatbot crammed into it. This is a fundamental rethinking of what a browser should be. And from its look and features, I think a lot of people are going to find it pretty cool and useful. So, today I'm going to break down everything we know about Atlas and give you a deep dive into its groundbreaking features. By the end of this video, you can decide for yourself if it's time for you to make the switch or not. So, stick around, because there are a lot of crazy things to uncover. Now, let's begin. So first, let's talk about the look and feel, the first impression. This is what it looks like. From the official visuals, we can see that OpenAI made a very smart decision. The Atlas browser looks and feels just like a normal browser. You can see your tabs up top, your bookmarks bar, and a familiar layout. The strategy here is brilliant and clear. Zero learning curve. They want users of any other browser to be able to jump over and feel right at home instantly. But it's the homepage where you feel the difference. It's a direct integration of the ChatGPT website, essentially turning your browser's start page into ChatGPT. It offers smart suggestions and gives you full access to your entire chat history. You can do everything you normally do on the ChatGPT website, like attaching images directly to your search prompts. When you search, it doesn't just give you a list of links. It presents the result in that clean conversational ChatGPT-style response. But if you want the classic search results, you can just switch tabs at the top to see all the links and videos, just like you're used to. It's the best of both worlds. Now, let's get into the features this browser has. Feature 1, the Companion, an AI on every page. This is where the experience completely diverges from traditional browsers. A core feature being shown is an Ask ChatGPT button, which will be available to you on every single web page you visit. Clicking this opens a Companion Sidebar that has the full context of the page you are on. Imagine you're on a long, dense news article. Instead of reading for 20 minutes, you could ask the sidebar to summarize the key arguments of this page, or pull all the statistics mentioned. It effectively turns your browser into a dynamic research assistant that reads and understands the internet for you. You can keep asking questions and digging for information without having to skim and scan the page yourself. This is an absolute game changer for students, researchers, and anyone who wants to get information faster. It's really awesome. You can use this feature on any web page, be it Reddit, X, YouTube, or anything else. Awesome. Feature 2, Cursor Chat, your built-in editor. The next major feature is called Cursor Chat, and it's focused on making the act of writing online completely seamless. Here's how it works. You can highlight any text you've written, anywhere, an email, a comment, a social media post, and a small icon will pop up. From there, a prompt window opens where you can give a command like, "Make this sound more professional," or "Fix my grammar and spelling." The powerful part is that it then edits the text for you, right there on the page. This is a huge improvement to workflow. It destroys that annoying cycle of writing, copying, switching tabs to ChatGPT, pasting, prompting, copying the result, and switching back to paste it in. It's all done in one place. This is going to save a lot of time for sure. Feature 3, Agentic Browsing. And now for the feature that everyone is going to be talking about. It's called Agentic Browsing. This is where the browser moves from being a passive tool to an active agent. It's where your browser starts working for you. With this feature, you can give the browser commands to perform multi-step tasks. For example, if you are on a shopping website, you could tell it to add some specific items in your cart. And after you grant permission, the browser will navigate the site and perform the actions on your behalf. You would literally sit back and watch it work. The announcement clarifies that this is an advanced feature and won't be available to all users at launch, but it provides a powerful, mind-blowing glimpse into the intended direction of this browser. So, those are the 3 major features that define OpenAI's new browser. The release of Atlas is a significant moment. The goal is clear: to create an internet experience that is more interactive, intelligent, and far less manual. The browser is evolving from a simple window to view the web into a true partner that helps you understand and interact with it. It looks awesome and pretty useful for a lot of people in their day-to-day lives. There are a lot of AI-powered browser already in the market, but ChatGPT is very famous. So many people will probably discover AI-powered browser for the first time because of OpenAI now. And I think a lot of people are going to like it. Now, for the important detail, availability. Currently, this browser is free to use and it's rolling out for Mac users first. But don't worry, OpenAI has stated they are planning to bring it to all other platforms very soon. So, the rest of us will have to wait just a little bit longer. So, I want to know what you all think. Based on this, what feature are you most excited about? And are you going to switch to this new browser or not? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay on the cutting edge of AI, consider hitting that like button and subscribing. We'll definitely be tracking this story as it develops. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.